Good morning, students. Welcome to Chemistry Online class. We are now going through the chapter 9, Soil. We have learned the formation of soil, different types of soil and its property, and soil profile. Today, we are going to discuss about two properties of soil. First one, percolation of water through the soil. Second one, absorption of water by the soil. Both processes are related with water. So we can discuss in detail. First one, percolation. Percolation of water means seepage of water, the movement of water. I think you might have familiar when watering the soil. In some type of soil, the water easily moves down through the soil and all water vanish within minutes. But in the case of some other type soil, this water still remain on the surface. It takes more time to drain. Now we can compare the percolation rate or water seepage rate of two soil, sandy and clay soil. Can you guess in which soil water percolation rate is high? Any idea? You have already learned the properties of the soil. What about sandy soil? In sandy soil, the particle size are high, the bigger size particle, so they are loosely packed. There are a lot of space between the gap and the soil is well aerated. Large air spaces contained in this soil. So, when we add water to sandy soil, what happens? Water can easily move down through this air gap. So, when we add water to sandy soil, the percolation or the seepage of water is high. Easily water drain through the soil. Then what about clay soil? In clay soil, this particle size are small. So the particles are well packed. There is no space between the particle. So when we add water to this clay soil, the water moves down through the soil very slow. So when we add water to clay soil, the water still remain on the surface for long time. The percolation rate is very low compared to sandy soil. I think you have cleared about the percolation among in two soil. So next we can go to second property, absorption of water. This percolation of water and absorption of water are connected things. Absorption or moisture content. Now can you guess in which soil, sandy or clay soil, the absorption of water is high? Yes, we have discussed. In clay soil, the particle size is very small and the particles are very closely packed. So water can't easily drain through the soil. That means water can retain in the soil for more time. So water holding capacity is high in clay soil. While in sandy soil, the water is easily drained out, so it can't hold water for more time. Children, you know that most of the plants grow well in moist soil because they need water for their proper growth. Same as in human case. We need water for our proper growth and health. So we need to consume at least 2 liters of water per day. We need to refrain from dehydration. Especially under this health crisis COVID-19, we have to consume a lot of pure water and nutritious foods. Also strictly follow the instructions from concerned authorities, like wear protective shield or mask, maintain proper hygiene, and keep social distance, etc. Hope all you know about the precautions that we need to take against COVID-19. Don't forget to follow it. So we can again come back to our topic, soil. Have you ever passed through the farmland during hot summer season? Then have you noticed area above the soil shimmering? Shimmering means shiny appearance. Area above the soil have the shiny appearance. Have you noticed? If your reply is no, then when you get the chance to go through the farmland during summer season, you must notice the area above the soil will shine. What's the reason? During hot day, the water in the soil evaporated. That means the moisture present in the soil converted to water vapor, and this water vapor above the soil reflect in the sunlight. By this reflection, area above the soil shimmer. Got it? So we can conclude today's session. Here we discuss 2 properties: percolation rate and absorption of water. Percolation rate is high in sandy soil, while the water holding capacity is high in clay soil. Hope all you have understood today's session. I have attached notes as well as a link. You have to go through the link and copy the notes. I have also provided test paper. All you have to attend the test paper. So we will meet in the next session. Thank you.